Hi, I'm Rob Yaffe. We're at Wildflour Vegan Bakery and Juice Bar in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. We specialize in all dairy-free vegan desserts, vegan grab-and-go, and we recently just did a expansion doubling the size of the bakery. We serve a purpose of bringing community together. So when we did the expansion, we put in a larger space for people to come in and work, sit with their laptops. So it's really a gathering space for the community. The peanut butter chocolate brownie is our #1 selling item, and we have a cold press hydraulic juice machine where every day we make freshly cold pressed juices bottled in the grab and go case. So we invite you to come down to Pawtucket, Rhode Island, which was the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution, and join us and see what we're doing and what vegan, kosher bakery and cafe can be like. We look forward to seeing you.